Hello everyone, welcome back to the MS Power Automate channel. Today we are going to discuss how to handle the privacy error page in Chrome. Right? So just a quick background to today's topic. What we want to do over here is we want to navigate to this URL using our Chrome browser. And what you can see on the screen here is that there is actually a privacy error page saying that our connection is not private, right? So what we need to get the flow to do is to click on the advanced button and then to click on the link to proceed to the URL, right? Sounds simple enough. How do we do this inside at Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, right? So let me navigate to my designer. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the web automation actions, and then I will drag and drop launch new Chrome. Okay, in this case, because my browser is already open, so I'm just going to attach to a running instance, and I'm going to select based on title. Okay, everything is done. I'll click save. And then the next step I want to do is I want to be able to click on the advanced button, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select click link on web page, and I will drag and drop over here. And I would then select the UI element. So currently I do not have any UI elements created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add UI element, right? And then you can see that when I hover my mouse over the advanced button, is highlighted in red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control key and click left click. And then you can see that the advanced button is added to my UI elements. Right? I'll click done. And then something happens, right? If I click on the UI element, you see that it doesn't register the UI element which I've just added, which is very strange because, let me click save. Because if I now navigate to my UI elements pane, you can see that actually this UI element was successfully created just now. So what can we do in this case, right? So the good thing is that with MS Power Automate Desktop, there are usually many ways to solve a given problem. So if one approach doesn't work, there's always, or rather there's usually an alternative approach that you can try. So in this case, rather than using the action click link on web pages, what I'm going to do is, let me first delete this action, and I'm going to use UI automation instead, right? And specifically what I'm going to use is click UI element in window, right? And now if I select the UI element, you can see that I'm able to select the advanced button. So I'll click select and I will click save. Now, if I were to run this flow, let's see what happens. Voila! You can see now the flow is able to successfully click on the advanced button. And what our next need to do is to add another UI element for the proceed link and then follow the same method. That's it, folks. I hope you find this video useful, and please do subscribe to the MS Power Automate channel to receive the latest updates on Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, including learning tutorials and tips and tricks. See you again soon. Take care.